Students are asking me regarding what topics are important or expected for this year's UPSC Mains History, GS Paper 1 History. Friends, I would tell you that you have to prepare the entire history syllabus because UPSC is unpredictable and we cannot tell what questions may come. However, if you ask me for some topics which you should not miss, which you have to emphasize, for you, I have come up with certain topics based on what I analyzed in the last few years of UPSC Mains History paper. Coming to the ancient India, as recently Tamil Nadu government has allocated some fund to study on the IVC script which were excavated in some parts of Tamil Nadu. I am expecting some question on IVC related to the IVC script. Similarly, Mauryan Empire, I feel in the last few years of UPSC Mains, there are no many questions on Mauryan Empire's art and architecture specifically. There were questions on Gupta's art, Gupta architecture, but not on the Mauryas. So question may come. Similarly, personality based. In the medieval India, Sri Krishna Deva Raya was asked. Similarly, in the ancient India, Ashoka as a personality may be asked, particularly relevance of Ashoka's Dhamma in the present day world may be asked. Also, a broad theme of ancient India, the application of science and technology or evolution of education in the ancient India as a whole may also come in the examination. Similarly, if you come to medieval India, I feel both ancient India as well as medieval India, paintings are not really emphasized in the last few years. So I am expecting some question on painting, either ancient or medieval, something like Ajanta Ellora cave paintings, etc. Also, on the southern Indian history, there would be one question. As I had asked about Cholas and Pandyas, Vijayanagara, they may ask Vijayanagara. Bahamanis also they may ask. They may focus on Indo-Islamic architecture because questions were not there in the last few years. Also, Bhakti movement questions did not come in the last few years. They came long back. So I'm expecting question of Bhakti movement, something like the impact of Shankaracharya's philosophy on the Bhakti movement or his contribution, not impact, contribution on the Bhakti movement. Question may come. So like that, ancient medieval India, I'm expecting these questions. Questions may come on 1857 revolt because they're long pending, Swadeshi movement, and even the evolution of revolutionary nationalists as they were long pending. Also, the overall theme, the British policy on the education or revenue, overall as a theme may come. Also, UPSC focuses on after 1940 to 47. There is a area of interest for UPSC. Last year they asked 15 movement. This year they may ask cabinet mission plan, CRIPS mission, or the partition. The factors that led to partition or impact of the partition. They may ask questions in that way. And then coming to the post-independent history, questions may come from Shimla Agreement. As recently there is some skirmish between India and Pakistan, Indus Water Treaty, stopping of Indus Water Treaty. So question may come about Bangladesh Liberation War. Also personalities, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's personality was not asked, so they may ask about that. And Subhash Chandra Bose was in news in the last 4 years continuously, but question was not asked. So there may be a question on Subhash Chandra Bose, is he a socialist, nationalist, or is support to Germany is acceptable? Some question may come. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's personality might be compared with Jawaharlal Nehru's personality. They may compare both the personalities. Sometimes they ask Gandhi versus Tagore, like that they may ask. So these are the topics which I'm expecting purely based on my analysis of last few years. However, you focus on these topics, but along with this, I suggest you to quickly go through entire history. Because history is very important, as the impact of how you write history, will be there on the entire general studies because you start with history. The GS is started with history. So take care friends, all the best, and we are conducting free mock test essay GS1, 2, 3 and 4. Full length mock test under the name of Anukaran, which you can click on the link below in the description. You can enroll, register, write the exams. You will have a quick evaluation offline in Hyderabad, Vijayawada, and online also we will be evaluating the papers. All the best.